We compare the entire UK market every day, so you can get the best credit card for you, whether it's the finest incentives, the longest 0% interest deals, or the lowest costs. The summer vacation season is arrived, so if you're planning a trip abroad, make sure you bring the correct type of credit card. Whatever type of credit card you want, we've shared the major categories along with step-by-step instructions on how to select the best credit card for you, as well as our top pick recommendation. Number 1. American Express Preferred Rewards Gold Credit Card. Amex is working hard to attract and keep new consumers, ranking first in our most recent customer satisfaction study. This statement rewards card offers a plethora of points when you join as you spend, when you recommend friends or add an extra cardholder, and also on your cardholder anniversaries. There are also additional benefits available through the app. Travel discomfort and travel accident insurance are optional. While accepting American Express is becoming more common, some places still exclusively accept Visa or MasterCard. Here are the benefits: 2 complimentary airport lounge visits each year, a welcome incentive of 20,000 membership rewards points if you spend £3,000 in your first 3 months, and a continuous earn rate of 1 point for £1 spent. Account fee is £0 for the first year, then £140 each year after that. Number 2. Santander Everyday No Balance Transfer Fee Credit Card. Account fee is £0. Yes, there are longer 0% deals on the market. However, this is the longest deal with no transfer charge and no requirement to be a current subscriber. So if 21 months is enough time to pay off your balance, this could be the card for you. Remember that if you believe you will require more than 21 months to pay off your balance, a balance transfer fee may be beneficial. Regarding interest-free periods, balance transfers get 0% interest for 21 months. Purchases with 0% interest for 3 months and benefits are: earn 1% cashback on purchases paid internationally with your card between June 13 and September 18, 2022. Number 3. M&S Bank Shopping Plus Credit Card. This versatile all-rounder from M&S offers a lengthy interest-free period on both purchases and balance transfers, as well as earning points on your spending. It can help you save money on purchases because there is no yearly charge and a low reversing buying rate, but their devotees will get the most out of this card. Balance transfers receive 0% interest for 24 months with a 2.9% charge. Purchases with 0% interest for 24 months. Here are the benefits: earn 1 point for every £1 spent at M&S, and 1 point for every £5 bought elsewhere. 100 points equals a £1 reward voucher. 4 times a year, points will be turned into reward vouchers. There is no account fee. Number 4. American Express Platinum Cashback Everyday Credit Card. An accessible and simple-to-use card that offers cashback on common purchases. You may also keep your costs low because there is no yearly fee if you pay off your debt in full each month. But you need to know, if you don't pay off your amount in full each month, you'll likely spend more in interest than you'd receive in cashback, and a 0% purchase or low-rate card may be a perfect choice for you. Get 5% cashback on purchases up to £100 during the first 3 months of card membership, then 1% after that. There is £0 account fee. Number 5. Barclaycard Rewards Visa. The Barclaycard Rewards Visa card has surpassed the Halifax Clarity as our best travel credit card option. It's one of a few cards that offers commission-free non-sterling cash withdrawals in addition to commission-free card spend, all with no account charge and some cashback. What you should know: if you use it to withdraw cash from a bank abroad, this portion of your balance will benefit from the standard 0% interest grace period. Furthermore, multiple credit card cash withdrawals may begin to harm your credit score. Cashback of 0.25% on everyday purchases, fee-free currency conversion on non-sterling transactions, and cash withdrawals, and there is no account cost. Number 6. Capital One Classic Credit Card UK. If you responsibly use your Capital One Classic card and pay off your amount each month, you might be rewarded with 2 potential credit limit increases every year. The usual interest rate on the card is high, making it a pricey alternative if you do not pay off your balance in full each month. The benefits of Capital One offers a popular card to help you grow your credit, whether you have a less than perfect credit history or just don't have much of one. The account fee is £0. Number 7. British Airways American Express Credit Card. With no yearly cost, this is an excellent way to begin collecting air miles. You can also upgrade to the Premium Plus edition for a higher earn rate and a larger welcome bonus in exchange for an annual price. If the value of the benefits outweighs the annual fee, this could be a wise decision. You should be aware that if you do not pay off your amount in full each month, you will most likely spend more in interest than you would earn in air miles. If this describes you, you might want to look for a 0% buy or low-rate deal instead. Earn 1 Avios point for every £1 spent, with a 5,000 Avios welcome bonus if you spend £1,000 in your first 3 months, and there is no account fee. Number 8. MBNA Long 0% Money Transfer Credit Card. This specialized card allows you to transfer funds to a separate account without incurring interest. You'll only pay a one-time transfer fee, and it's one of the longest available. Money transfer arrangements, as opposed to other 0% offers, give you far more freedom, ideal if you need to pay multiple parties in cash, for example. What you should know: the interest-free period of 18 months applies to money transfers made during the first 60 days. To apply, you must earn at least £14,000 per year. Money transfers earn 0% interest for 18 months with a 2.99% charge. Balance transfers receive 0% interest for 12 months with a 4% charge and £0 account fee. We had a lot of question that, can I get a credit card with bad credit? Yes, possibly. Although some of the top cards are likely to be unavailable, there are several card issuers who specialize in credit builder cards, which are specifically tailored for persons with a damaged or limited credit history. Furthermore, credit card interest rates and credit limits are frequently adjusted to the applicant, which means you may be offered a card, but with a relatively modest opening credit limit, and perhaps a rate that is higher than the advertised representative APR. In this video, I hope you can find the best credit cards in UK. If you have any question or information, feel free to comment below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching Business Snap Finance and Insurance Updates channel.